Hello Jelly Babes, I am back with another video. So I did say I was going to be adding a design to these polygel nails, which is what I am going to be doing today. So here are the base polishes that I am going to be using. So that's Madame Glam gel polish, Not Only You and Me. That's Naio Nails Jar of Hearts. And then this is a Bluesky one, which is 40544. And if you want to check out how I did these nails on myself, both my dominant and non-dominant hand, then I will leave a link to that video. But before, obviously because I've got my polygel already done, I'm just sort of cleansing the nail. I don't know why I am cleaning the other nail. Obviously that is all done. But yeah, but I'm just cleansing the nail before I start. So I am using this Kiki London primer just to add a tacky layer that my base coat can stick to, which is all going to help in your mani lasting longer. It is quite smelly. I think all primers are. So definitely have your window open for when you're applying this. So I'm just going to apply the different colours now. So I'm applying the red one on my nails first. So I think I mentioned these are a gel gel polishes, so you are going to need to cure them in your lamp. This is the Madame Glam one, which is such a gorgeous colour. Like, it's just so gorgeous all on its own. And then I'm leaving my ring finger clear, and then I'm using this sort of like goldy glittery glitter polish for my pinky, and I did put the red polish on my thumbnail also. There you go. Now, if you have got gel polishes that don't particularly have a very good tacky layer, or they haven't got a tacky layer at all, you can use foil glue when you're applying glitter. You can use this same method if you're applying glitter to normal nails. So you would basically apply your nail polish as normal, allow for it to dry, then apply this foil glue on the top of it, and that basically gives a tacky layer that is very similar to gel polish. So it goes on blue, but don't worry, once it's dry, it goes completely clear and shiny. So I'm using these Chameleon glitters. These are some new ones that I recently got sent for review. I have done a proper review on these if you want to check them out. So I'm using Fire and Glam. Then this is Blaze. And then I'm going to be also using Marmalady, because obviously I want to do a autumn themed mani. So I have sort of decanted some into like a little triangle pot for easier sort of application of the glitter. So you just want to get like a gel brush, and I'm actually doing like a glitter ombre. So I'm going to do half the nail with the red glitter, and I'm sort of really burnishing it into the layer, the tacky layer, sorry. And then on the other half I'm using the Glam. Now it's not dead obvious on camera, the obvious shift, but you can see it in real life. I will try and get you to be able to see it, but yeah, but that's what's fantastic about these glitters. Like even though it's like one's red and one's purple, like the glitter fade is actually really like seamless. So hopefully you can see it more when it's top coated. Then I'm using this same glitter over this polish here. But I absolutely love these colours, and especially together. It's like a real gorgeous, deep, autumny colour. So as you can see, they apply nicely and lie flat. And then I'm going to be putting Blaze over this colour. And I really loved how this looked, because when I did my swatch review, I put it over quite a bright orange base, really. It did have a nice end finish, but that's what I love about these glitters. Like, you can just put it over a different base and you're going to get a different look each time, which is fantastic. So for me, I always put like a base coat on because I don't mind if glitter gets into that. Like, obviously I don't want glitter pieces in my top coat. So that's what I do. And then I go over it with like my normal top coat afterwards. So I'm just quickly applying that to all of my nails, and then I'm going to come in with my Kiki London top coat, which is awesome. Like, it's really shiny. So yeah, totally, this is like my go-to gel top coat at the moment. Now, with that tacky layer, I'm just applying Marmalady to the tip of the nail, and then I kind of want to fade it up the nail. So I got a fan brush, which is really handy for doing that, and you sort of drag it up the nail a little bit and you kind of get like a nice sort of like glitter fade thing going on. I don't know how well it'll come across on camera, but hopefully you can see it. That's it already done on my other nail. So I'm using my Uberchic stamping plate, and I'm using this image right here. So I'm using a brown stamping polish, and I'm just going to place this directly onto my ring finger where it is a clear nail, because I kind of wanted to do like a glitter autumn tree. So on this hand, I actually did the tree first and will be applying the glitter afterwards. But on my other hand, I actually applied the glitter first and then stamped over it. I will show you both looks and you can decide which one you prefer. So I'm using these round glitter dots, which just are so awesome. They are from Glitterarty. I purchased them a while back. And when you're encapsulating any glitter, it's best to use like a poly gel, sorry, not poly gel, builder gel. And obviously I'm using my clear builder gel here. So you want to put a nice like thinnish layer on, and don't cure it at this point, because you're going to get your glitter dots and place this on top. It kind of helps it sink into the nail a bit more, and because the builder gel is like a thicker like top coat in a sense, you're going to be able to buff it down afterwards and get it, you know, so your nail isn't ridiculously bulky or thick. So I'm just using the different shapes and kind of like obviously going around the tree outline.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make way.
So once you're happy with like your first layer of gel polish, you want to cure that underneath your lamp for 2 minutes. And then you want to go apply another thin layer of the builder gel, and then obviously add the glitter dots again. And that's how you kind of get that lovely encapsulated look.
Hands away from you. So, girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You need a man to keep you down. Down, 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 down. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight.
So again, once you're happy, cure that underneath your lamp, and then you want to buff it all down. And then I kind of like wanted to get some sort of some detailing at the bottom of the base of the tree, and I thought it would just be easier to use stamping polish as opposed to trying to put the glitter dots, because I don't think I actually had them small enough to kind of fit at the end of my nail, like on the tip of my nail. But you kind of get this look anyway. And then obviously you want to wait for that to dry, and then go ahead and apply a layer of top coat. And that is it. Then you just want to remove that tacky layer with some isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free wipe. And kind of, this is the end look. So this was it where I applied the tree first, and this is when I applied the tree afterwards. I like both looks, but you decide which one that you would like wear yourself. And as I always mention, you want to apply some nice cuticle oil after you're all done to keep your nails hydrated. You can see that my nails are really nice and hydrated after using this Kiki London product. Like I say, I mentioned it when I did my polygel video, like how impressed I was with the quality of it. Like normally my nails dry out so quickly, it is frustrating, whereas with this one, it really did keep it hydrated for longer. And yeah, it's so important, and I know we easily forget it, but you know, you should be regularly applying cuticle oil, especially if you are doing lots of manis and work on your nails. I think the slogan is your nails are jewels, not tools. So yes, you need to look after them. They look fabulous, they deserve to be looked after. So I really love how this looks. Like, I am a proper glitter bug, and it's been a while since I'd put some glitter on my nails, and I think the colours go beautifully together. They are perfect for autumn time, and like I say, those glitter dots, it just adds that little extra sort of bling to the nail. And yeah, I really love how they look. I hope you guys like the look too. If you ever recreate any of my designs, I would love to see them, especially if you're on Instagram. So just tag me in on Instagram at Gelulicious. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on this mani anyway, if this is something that you would want to wear on your own nails. I'd love to kind of get your thoughts. So that is me pretty much done here for today. But before I go, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd really appreciate you if you click that free subscribe button and then click the notification bell that comes with it, because then that way you won't miss another upload, hopefully, if YouTube's, you know, playing nice. Yeah, and like, give it a thumbs up and leave me a nice comment as well. All these things help to make my channel grow, and I really do appreciate that. Like, I really do love the support that I get for my channel. You do make it a pleasure to make a YouTube channel for. So yeah, so like I say, drop your thoughts on which you would prefer, the tree placed first or the tree placed afterwards. I still can't decide. I like both. I think I like the fact that on one of them, like, the glitter's dead dominant, but then on the other one, it actually looks like it's a tree. And this is just a quick shot of it outdoors, just so you can see in different lighting as well, sort of like in a more natural light. It was a dark, not very nice weather day. So thank you for watching, Jelly Babes, and take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.